Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am simply OLA. Well, it's been a long time I've actually been on YouTube. Well, it's because all work and no play, they say, makes Jack a dull boy. Well, this is not Jack, this is Ola. All work and no play simply makes Ola a dull lady. Right, today, like I said, we'll be having water play. And water play is very therapeutic for the children. Children love water play. While we are exploring water play, you need some of these containers here. It's just readily homemade container of things that you can easily find at home. This is just grapes container here. This is, fairy soap container. This is just water container that I've just cut a little bit, and this is the other part here. I've tried to cut this just to improvise for a funnel, even though I've got a funnel, but I just wanted to see the difference. I've got little pots here, yogurt pots here, and I've got jugs here with numbers, especially for the older children, just for them to see, the volume of water that they have scooped. It's just for children to have something to think about. Right, in this water play, first of all, I've tried to make my mat here. This is my mat because I'm using my living room. This is my mat here, and then I've placed cloth on top of it just for risk assessment purposes. I don't want the children to sleep while they are exploring water, and that is exactly why I've placed the towel on top of the mat. And then to limit my mess in that form. Right, like I did mention, I've got funnels here. While children are exploring water, they will want to pour water from one container to the other. As they are pouring the water, this is eye and hand coordination for them. They are learning how to handle objects, and at the same time is fine and gross motor skills for them. Because, like I did mention, they won't be in one place. Like, just as I'm stretching my legs just to explore better, the children are also doing the same. So it's both gross fine motor skills and gross motor skills development for them. At the same time, they may want to use the funnel to pour water into another container. They are learning how to use objects as well, learning how to use tools. At the same time, while the children are exploring the water, you want to be giving them the language or taking them through what they're doing. So you're giving them vocabulary while they're exploring the water. I've got cylinders here. These cylinders, you may not have the cylinder, but if you have cylinders, fine. If you don't have cylinders, it's still alright. Right, like I did mention, I've got 3 cylinders here. These 3 cylinders help the children to put the containers in orders of height or length, and sometimes in weight. So once they pour water into this container, for example, they're beginning to know how much a container can hold, or the volume of water a container can hold. So they already know one container is heavier than the other. At the same time, They may want to transfer the content. You can encourage the children to transfer the water from a cylinder to the other, just like this. It gives them idea of, you know, measurements, and as they are doing this, it is their eye and hand coordination they are developing. That's it. Oh, roughly this is 900 ml. You may even encourage, you know, the older children to transfer into another jug to see, you know, the volume of water, you know, a container holds. Oh, 900. You could just 900. And then you're, you know, talking to children about numbers. Sorry, it's almost, yeah, 900 milliliters. And then you're using the, you know, the language of sizes and measurements, you know, with the children. For younger children, they can learn to pour, you know, I've got different sizes of pots here. They might even want to use the funnel to transfer water into, you know, a bottle. You can encourage them to try it. Some younger children, you can introduce these balls here, of different colors. And if you don't want to, I've got something here, Rice Krispies. You can pour the Rice Krispies into, that's if they want to be a bit messy. Pour the Rice Krispies into water and encourage them to scoop. Scoop using one of the perforated bowls, or if you've got a sieve, they could use a sieve. Let them scoop and see what happens. Talk about the floating Rice Krispies. The younger children may want to pick, and they are learning to still use their fine motor skills to pick. And if you want to be a little bit adventurous, you can go to use your bathtub. And the children enjoy playing water. At the end of the day, they have their shower or they have a bath. And that is it really. If you like my videos, click like, subscribe, and share. And if you've carried out the activities, please let me know. Comment below and let's know. Thank you so much. Bye.